going to make pork adobo. What I did with my pork is I pre-boiled it. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, a dash of ground black pepper, 1 piece of bay leaves, garlic, and 1/2 cup of water. After I added all the ingredients, I'm gonna boil this until it becomes tender. And I'm gonna check it from time to time. We are going to check our adobo. We will check if this is already tender. We'll wait a little bit, but I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of water, and then we'll check it later. Now we will check if our pork is tender. Now it's ready. We are going to transfer this to a plate, and then we will fry the pork. Now we were going to put an oil, and then we will put garlic, once it's hot, I'm gonna transfer the meat, except the sauce. We will use the sauce later. Now I already transferred the pork here with the garlic. I'm gonna set this aside, the sauce, and we will add this later. We will cover it and wait. We'll check now our adobo. Oh, this is the result of our pork fried into garlic. You can serve this as dried pork adobo, but for me, I'm gonna add the sauce to it. And then we'll wait a little bit until it becomes a little sticky, and then we're done. I'll cover this again. Now we're going to check our adobo, and the sauce is a little bit sticky, so we're done. This is the finished product of our pork adobo. See you next time.